This super easy, no mess potion punch recipe will have your kiddos oohing and eyeing as they sip on this magic drink. You need lemon lime soda, Pop Rocks, regular Hawaiian punch, and red Jell-O. Pour about 1/3 of a cup of Hawaiian punch into a cup or beaker. Pour 3/4 of a cup of lemon lime soda into the punch. Mix 1 tablespoon of Pop Rocks and 1 tablespoon of red Jell-O in a separate container. Add the magic ingredients to the beaker and watch the potion fizz. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.